Welcome to our channel ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about the rise of autonomous vehicles and robots in supply chain operations. From science fiction to reality, autonomous vehicles and robots are transforming supply chain operations in ways we never imagined. Welcome to the future of logistics. Global supply chains are the backbone of modern economies, ensuring goods reach our homes, businesses, and stores. But with growing demand and labor shortages, the logistics industry is turning to cutting-edge technologies to stay ahead. And at the forefront of this transformation? Autonomous vehicles and robots. Autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing the transportation of goods. From driverless trucks navigating cross-country routes to delivery drones dropping packages at your doorstep, these technologies promise efficiency and precision. Take self-driving trucks, for example. Equipped with advanced sensors, AI algorithms, and real-time connectivity, these vehicles reduce human error, lower fuel consumption, and minimize downtime. Autonomous trucks can operate 24/7 without the need for rest breaks, significantly cutting delivery times. They're game changers for long-haul logistics. Meanwhile, inside warehouses, robots are taking over repetitive and labor-intensive tasks. From sorting items to picking and packing orders, these machines work tirelessly to meet consumer demands. By automating these processes, companies not only increase productivity but also reduce errors and improve workplace safety. And it's not just about replacing humans. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside people, enhancing their capabilities rather than replacing them. The benefits of these technologies are clear: faster operations, reduced costs, and a more sustainable supply chain. But, as with any innovation, there are challenges. From the significant upfront investment to concerns about data security and job displacement, the industry must navigate these obstacles carefully. While automation is crucial, it's equally important to reskill our workforce and address ethical concerns to ensure a balanced transition. Future outlook. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict that by 2030, autonomous vehicles and robots will dominate supply chain operations, creating a seamless, tech-driven logistics ecosystem. The integration of AI, IoT, and machine learning will further enhance these systems, making supply chains more resilient, adaptive, and efficient than ever before. The rise of autonomous vehicles and robots marks a new era in supply chain operations. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities are limitless. Are you ready for the future of logistics? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of technology and innovation.